Here is a quick video to show you how to edit your page title and your site title more specifically in SquareSpace. What is the site title? Well, your site title and description give visitors and search engines a quick snapshot of your website. And why is this important? Because this information shows up in search engine results and helps people decide whether to click on your website. So, this is where you should put keywords that you know people will look for when you're looking for a type of services. First, of course, make sure you're logged into your SquareSpace account and access the site editor. Then, click on Edit and find Edit Site Header right here. Click here and look for the site title and logo. Right now, I'm currently located directly on it. This is where you'll find your site title and where you want to put important information such as your company name and a series of keywords that you know your audience will look for. So for example, here, let me just update to company name. And let's say we are an acupuncture business, acupuncture services in Miami, Florida. When you're done, just click outside and save. And you're all set.